In today's video, we will look at a free video editor that Microsoft bundles with Windows 11. Before we jump into today's video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Well, assuming you've done that, let's jump right into the video. If you didn't already notice, there is a free video editor bundled right into Windows 11. Cool, right? Microsoft calls this Microsoft Clipchamp. If your Windows 11 computer does not have it installed, you can install it by opening the Microsoft Store. Searching for the term Microsoft Clipchamp, you can download it. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account and you are good to go. And that's it for today's video. I know that this isn't much, but this is just a short form video just to make you aware that this exists. So if you found this video helpful, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It really helps me grow, and goodbye. See you soon.